Imagine a young girl, about the age of 5, staring intently at a television. On the screen is a cartoon. It's not just any cartoon, though, it's Beauty and the Beast. This cartoon gave this little girl reassurance that it's okay to read. This cartoon taught this little girl to never judge a book by its cover, both literally and figuratively. That little girl, along with so many others, was me. From such a young age, Walt Disney Animation Studios has inspired me. I loved the cartoons from Disney so much that I started to draw them. I successfully drew my first princess at the age of 7. Like so many others out there, my love of animation stemmed at this moment, and this is what put me on the path of animation. Over the years, I began to draw religiously. It was my favorite pastime. I quickly learned how to express myself through art, and began to understand why art was just so important. I understood that art was magic. I saw at a very young age that art was a creation that came from our souls. When I rewatched all of the cartoons from my childhood, as a teenager, I began to feel what art could do. I could feel how it could transfer you to another place. I felt how it brought you back to a simpler time. With this knowledge, I quickly realized that I wanted to do that. I wanted to create animations that truly felt like magic. Prior to attending Full Sail, I had knowledge in traditional art and abstract art, along with my side hobby of drawing cartoons. I had learned many styles of cartoons along with realism. During my time at Full Sail, I learned more about the actual process of animation, rather than just drawing and painting. I completed courses in 3D animation, model creation, character rigging, character animation, visual development, and shading and lighting, along with many more. In the 3D animation course, I learned how to use the tools in 3D software. The model creation course taught me how to take my 2D drawings and turn it into a virtual model. I feel the character rigging course was one of the more important ones because without it, you wouldn't be able to move your virtual model around. My time at Full Sail really showed me the magic I had in myself to create these animations. With this newfound magic, I was given a brand new confidence that I could create the animations of my dreams. I had the confidence that I could change children's lives through animation, whereas before it was only a dream. I now know that I would be able to do it. Finding the magic in yourself is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. I am beyond excited for the opportunity to bring this magic to children with Walt Disney Animation Studios. It has been a lifelong dream to be able to bring magic to kids who were just like me when I was younger. Together, we can make great animations. We'll take kids on journeys to faraway lands and give them something to believe in. Together, we will bring magic to every child's home. Thank you.